what's up friends? Eric Crumbaker coming at you from Cal American and the CG Group out of Claremont, California. If you don't know where that's at, GTS, Google it. Anyways, just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. Man, it's end of July, we're in 2020, we're in the middle of COVID, there's unrest in our country, but for some reason, the real estate market is on fire. You know, back in 2007 and 8 when we had our housing crisis, you know, it really hurt and affected a lot of people, so much so that they're still recovering to this day. And this pandemic, what this has done is just, words really can't describe it. But for some reason, real estate itself has been driving our economy forward when restaurants and everything else has been pulling our economy down. And so being in real estate, it's still really important imperative that we look after our clients' best interest to make sure they're doing the right things. And if you're not too aware right now with market conditions, we're in a very interesting time. The time is, this is exactly what's happening. So over the last 3 to 5 years, we've had a loss of inventory, and our inventory really has only been about 3 months. So in this last 3 years, there's been an influx of buyers. The millennials, just so you guys know, outweigh the baby boomers when it comes to numbers. We're the biggest generation movement ever recorded on history. And their turn to purchase homes. It's their turn to go and have enough finances to now finally have families and have kids and get into homes and move across country and get into other homes. And that's what's happening right now. The problem we're having is inventory. Not enough people are listing and selling their homes. There's not enough new homes being built to support all the buyers that are out looking. So this has caused a supply and demand issue. So right now, when there's an influx of buyers, there's more buyers than there are listings. What that does, it drives up the prices of the homes that are already out there, which are already pretty high, to even higher numbers, because at the end of the day, people need to buy homes. And there just aren't that many people selling right now. So what we're seeing is multiple offers on pretty much every situation across the board with any of our listings. And I wouldn't say everybody's getting multiple offers. If you market correctly and you market to the right audience and you're exposing the homes the way you're supposed to, in this economy, you can easily, I wouldn't say easily, but you can generate multiple offers on your listing. But you just gotta make sure you're using the right person. You use the wrong person once and that's the end of it. So, as a buyer's agent right now, we're going up against multiple offers. We're going up against 5 to 10 to 2 to 15 offers at any given time. And I'll tell you, it's really hard to compete against 17 offers, 5 offers, 3 offers, even 2 offers. You don't really know how to play ball. And right now, a lot of agents and a lot of clients are losing out on great opportunities because, why? I don't know. If you're writing offers right now and you're losing, you should be asking your agent, what can we be doing to get these offers accepted? So what are agents doing, or what are our agents doing specifically? Well, I can't really give you all the secret sauce, but I will tell you, we have an agent on our team right now, in the last 2 weeks, has 7 offers accepted, all buyers, 4 homes. And prior to that, she was out 7 offers. She actually didn't get an offer accepted 7 times in a row, but she found the secret sauce to start getting her offers accepted, to start getting her clients in homes when there's a battleground out there. And how is she doing that? It's a really good question. I'm gonna give you a few things that she's doing different, but she's structuring offers a lot differently. And what that means is when you're writing an offer on a property and your agent's writing this up for you, there's multiple ways to adjust your offer to make it more pleasing for the seller to choose yours or pick yours or the others. And what we have created is our client success program. And what our client success program is a way for our buyers or anyone out looking for a property to actually go out against multiple buyers and get your offer accepted pretty much most of the time. There are times when someone comes in over asking all cash Those are situations that are just going to happen and you just have to let those roll. But for the most part, we're able to get our buyers into escrow 95, 99, 100% of the time, going up against multiple offers. So again, if you have any questions regarding this topic, if you're losing out on property, if you've written offers on multiple properties and something hasn't been accepted, think about what you can do to change that offer. What are you doing as a consumer to make that offer better when you know you're going against 13, 14, 15, 7, 2 other offers?